Top flight lost, Puna, Hawaii, letting the old birds fly. They've been flying for about 45 minutes already. Nice day, so I figured I'd film them a little while. It's my old bird team for 2012 coming up. Get some young birds. I think the oldest one I get, and actually get one 8-year-old hen I'm gonna try just for play around. See if they can still fly at that age. I'm pretty sure they can. But get them from 2 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old. Proven birds in there already, so they flew the channel multiple times. They just goofing off. Start training pretty soon. Well, technically this is the beginning already, so start rolling them in a couple of weeks. Hopefully. Kind of hard for work, running business and fly pigeons, but we'll figure it out. One bird, I don't know whose bird that is, duck check flying around. Cannot keep up with another bird, that poor thing is dying. Old birds like the range. They don't fly too long, minimum about an hour, give or take. Trying to get them up a couple of hours at least. But they've been doing this almost an hour already, so I could keep them up, but no need. Into the sun, whoosh. Can hear the babies, I don't know if you guys can hear them, but started my breeding season already. Got about 60 some, almost 70 banded already. I put some old bands 2012, so I don't fly them for the 2013. I just wanted to breed a couple extra of the other ones, so I'll race their brothers and sisters. Man, I don't know whose bird that is right here, but that thing sure is dying. It's tired. Somebody told him about our loft. Okay, where you going, Stroga? This bird was a pain in the butt. He refused to fly when I started to train him. I would let him out, he would time me, and he would go back in the cage as soon as I get out. I'd have to grab him, fly him again, he'd do it again. Finally, I got pissed off. Believe it or not, I took him out about 30 miles, let him go, and he found his way back. And ever since then, he flies. So that's the trick. When a bird pisses you off, make him work. But he's sure he can fly, boy, this bird, and he traps quick. That's the only plus side about it. Amazing I got him to fly. Yeah, see, he wants to go in. Okay, see how he's gliding already. Hopefully I can catch him on video. You see how fast he goes in. He's not ready to go in yet, I guess. Could have fooled me. That's the hard part. We're trying to race birds. They want to breed. They mess around. It's kind of tough. Come on, boy. Here we go. Come on, drop down. Come on, show the guys on YouTube how you act. No, he's not gonna call me a liar. I bet you as soon as I turn off the video camera, he will though. Okay, well, I don't like bore you guys flying pigeons, but thanks for watching. Oh, there he goes here. Watch him. So long he takes to go in. He knows I'm here, he's gonna hesitate a little bit. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come on, boy. Come, 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 come. I guarantee if I wasn't here, he'd be in already. Watch when I walk away. He's either gonna fly away or go in. Come, 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 come. Okay, now you're calling me a liar. Oh well, so much for that. Well, this is John, Top Flight Lofts, Puna, Hawaii. Just kicking with the old birds. Any questions, email me or comment. Appreciate it. Thank you. Aloha.